Welcome to Doubt Forum. This question is based on the parallel plate capacitor, and the question says a parallel plate capacitor of plate area capital A, plate separation small d, and the capacitance capital C is filled with four different dielectric materials having dielectric constant as K1, K2, K3 and K4 as shown in this figure. If a single dielectric material is to be used to have the same capacitance capital C in this capacitor, then its dielectric constant K is to be given by, and the four options are given. So what question says? Question says that earlier the four different materials of dielectric constant K1, K2, K3 and K4 are used. So we are getting the capacitance of this arrangement as capital C. Now the question says we have to replace these four dielectric materials with a single one whose dielectric constant is capital K. So we have to find out the value of capital K in terms of K1, K2, K3 and K4 so that the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor remain capital C. So what we will do, we will break this capacitor or this arrangement of capacitor in two parts. So how we will do? So this is the first plate of the capacitor. Now this is the second plate. Along the plate, this is the separation. This is the separation between the materials. So what we will do, we will consider this as a plate 1, this as plate 2 and this as plate 3. So what we will do, that the capacitance of this between these two plates, the first one, this one and this plate will be C1, and the capacitance between this plate and this plate is C2. Okay, so C1 is the capacitance between this plate and this imaginary plate. C2 is the capacitance between this imaginary plate and this real plate. So what we can represent this arrangement as one capacitance with C1 connected in series with another capacitor with capacitance C2. What we will do, we will find out the value of C1 and C2 separately. Then we will find the total value, which are, because C1 and C2 are in series, so we will find out the total equivalent capacitance between these 2 points. So from the equivalent capacitance, we will find the value of K. So this capacitance C1 has 3 different parts. The first part is, this is the capacitor C1. It has first part filled with dielectric constant K1. Second part is filled with a dielectric material with dielectric constant as K2. And third part and the dielectric material with dielectric constant K3 is filled. So the distance between these two plates is d by 2, because total distance was d, and d by 2 is the distance between this first plate and this imaginary plate. Area of this section, which has a dielectric with dielectric constant K1, is a by 3. The middle area, which has a dielectric material with dielectric constant K2, is also a by 3. And the third area, which is filled with the dielectric material with dielectric constant K3, is also a by 3. And we can see that these 3 capacitors are connected in parallel. So the equivalent capacitance C1 will be this. Suppose this part has a capacitance of Ca, this part has a capacitance Cb, and this third part has a capacitance Cc. So the equivalent capacitance C1 will be Ca plus Cb plus Cc. And we will use the very simple capacitance formula, that is capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor C is equal to A epsilon naught K times D, where A is the area of the plate, D is the separation between the plate, and K is the dielectric constant of the material filled. So in case of Ca, the area of the plate is A by 3 epsilon. K is equal to K1 divided by D is the distance, that is D by 2. So this will be like this. Similarly, for the middle portion in which a dielectric material with dielectric constant K2 is filled, the capacitance of this portion will be calculated as A. In place of A, we will write A by 3 epsilon K2 upon D by 2. D ये 2 पर आएगा इधर. Similarly, the third portion, the capacitance of third portion can be expressed in terms of A by 3 epsilon K3 divided by D by 2. So 2A epsilon naught divided by 3 को हम कॉमन ले लेंगे. So what remains inside will be D will also come outside. So inside will be K1 plus K2 plus K3. This is the value of C1. So we are managed to get the value of C1. Now the value of C2 is very easy because C2 has uniformly filled dielectric material whose dielectric constant is K2. So the value of C2, which will also be expressed by using this formula. So the value of C2 will become A. In place of A, we will write A because the area of the plate in case of C2 will remain A into epsilon naught into K. K is the dielectric constant of the material field. So in case of C2, that the value of dielectric constant is K4 divided by the distance between the plates is D by 2. So this will be the value of C2, which is equal to 2A epsilon K4 divided by D. So this will be the value of C2. Now as we can see that C1 and C2 are in series combination. So the equivalent capacitance, which will be also the equivalent capacitance of this arrangement, which is equal to C, which is given in the question, can be we can calculate that by using the simple series combination formula. So in series, the equivalent capacitance 1 by C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. So 1 upon C1 is this, 3D ऊपर चला जाएगा और नीचे बचेगा 2A epsilon naught K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 1 upon C2. The value of C2 we can write it from here, which is 2A epsilon 0 K. D की वैल्यू ऊपर आ जाएगी. This will be equal to the equivalent capacitance, that is A epsilon K upon D. तो D ऊपर चला जाएगा. So from here A epsilon naught will get cancelled. D and D will get cancelled. So what we can write that 1 upon K will be equal to 3 upon 2 times of K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 1 upon 2 times of K4. और फर्दर यहाँ से 2 को एलसीएम ले लेंगे. सो 2 इक्वल के अपोजिट साइड आ जाएगा. सो दिस विल बिकम 2 अपॉन K इक्वल 3 बाई K1 प्लस K2 प्लस K3 plus 1 upon K4. This will be the value of expression which we are asked to find. So let's see which option matches with our answer. So option number 3rd or C is matching with our answer. So this is the correct one.